Ikebana, it's an art of flowers, and it's quite different from Western style of flower arrangement, because in Ikebana's theory, you can decorate one flower with only one flower.
Oh, really?
And the flower arrangement in Japan is not only decorate flowers, but it's an art with flowers and space, air between the flowers, and also the room and everything. It shows the space, or even the universe in that.
And what's another Japanese art?
Japanese art? Ikebana, tea ceremony.
Tea ceremony.
Tea ceremony.
Tell me about tea ceremony.
Tea ceremony. There's certain ways you have to make tea. Not only make tea, there's a certain way to, for example, wipe a bowl.
I see.
Yes, with one piece of cloth. And you need to learn how to fold the cloth so that you use each part of the cloth only once to wipe the bowl. Yeah, so it's a complicated traditional procedure in a sense. But
how do you learn that? Is that something that your mother would teach you, or how do people learn that?
No, there are some professionals for both flower arrangement and tea ceremony. So you need to go
to school.
Yes, and learn from your teacher and their hierarchy in the organization, and you need to pass each test to climb up the ladder in the hierarchy.
I see.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.